We all know that we need to follow up with our leads and prospects. However, I've seen most companies and most clients that I work with, they're doing it by using tasks. So they create a task every time they need to follow up with a lead or a prospect. However, that's not the best way to do it unless you have your task very well organized with the categories and so on. So after 20-30 tasks on your list, it's going to be very difficult to focus on one of the main sales activities, which is following up. Instead of using tasks to follow up leads and prospects, we recommend using custom views after creating a field called, as an example, follow-up date. And that field, the follow-up date, should be updated with when would you like to follow up that lead. Let me show you how to do this. As an example, I create a field called follow-up date on the leads module. Your Zoho administrator should be able to create this field for you. And then under the leads module, I've created a view called leads to follow up. And this view has two main criteria. The follow-up date is today, or the follow-up date is till yesterday. What this will do is it will show all the leads where the follow-up date is overdue or is it due today. So as an example, I'm going to open this test lead and I'm going to change the follow-up date to a future date. And that will remove that lead from my custom view, leads to follow up. And this is how you set up a very simple no-task follow-up process with your Zoho CRM. What is the best way to make sure you don't forget to update your follow-up date? I recommend using a feature in CRM called Blueprint, and I would like to show you how that looks like. In this example, I've got a new lead and I need to contact the lead. With the Blueprint feature, I only got 3 options: contacted, attempt one, or junk lead. So I tried to call the lead, and because he didn't answer, the option that I'm going to select is attempt one. When I clicked on attempt one, I will have a prompt to complete the follow-up field. And if I cannot complete it, I cannot move forward. In this specific example, I also have notes as a mandatory field. So again, I need to put something in the notes field so I can move forward. If you notice, if I try to save the transition without putting the follow-up date, it will not move forward. Instead, it will show me a green bar under the transition. And once I add the follow-up date, I'm able to click on the save button and move to the next transition. So this is an example how a Blueprint can help you to make sure you don't forget to add the follow-up dates and also to manage your sales process. To summarize the benefits of having a no-task follow-up process, the first thing is you'll have a very clear focus of what leads and prospects you need to follow up. The second thing is the management can also have visibility of this view. And thirdly, if you use the Blueprint feature, you'll make sure you don't forget to update the follow-up dates. Your CRM administrator should be able to help you setting up the no-task follow-up process. However, if you need any help, contact us.
If you need any assistance with getting the most from your investment in Zoho CRM, come and talk to Unicorn Solutions. We are experts with Zoho and will save you time during implementation, being sure to optimize it correctly the first time. In the long run, you'll save money too, as your CRM delivers more leads and more conversions to sales. Call or message me to set up an initial discussion.